Hello, welcome to Answers Corner video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an email account using your domain name. That is when you are on cPanel. So after logging into your cPanel account, just scroll down to email, then click on email accounts. Wait for it to load. So it's loading. When it's finished loading, you will see previously created accounts under account here. So quickly click on create. So it's saying create an email account. So domain, so this is the domain I'm going to use. Then enter username. So I'll say enquiry@answerscorner.com. So security, set password now. So you can decide to generate the password or you just enter the password you want to use. So I will generate the password. So this is the password. So storage space, you can decide to leave it 1 gigabyte, that's 1024 megabytes. You can also set it to unlimited if you want to receive more messages without limit. Okay, now click on create. So it has created success. You created enquiry@answerscorner.com and you see that it's listed here. So this is how we create email accounts using our domain name. That is when you are using cPanel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and get more videos to watch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.